Inside the pickleball playbook, we have a play in here called Divide and Conquer. Basically what's happening is you have 4 players at the kitchen line. Of course, you're looking to hit aggressive dinks that are unattackable for your opponents, moving them back and forth across court, and hoping that eventually they will pop the ball up that you can put away with a slam. But sometimes you're looking for openings in the court too. You want to be able to move your opponents back and forth, creating an opening. So if you're doing a dink exchange here and you notice that there is a big opening right here, sometimes you can take advantage of that, even if it's not a pop-up, just by hitting a ball straight down the middle between the players and hitting it for a winner. We see in this point between Ben and Colin Johns and JW Johnson and Dylan Frazier. JW is going to serve the ball. Ben returns the ball deep and JW decides to drive the ball. He doesn't drive the ball 100%, but he drives it 50% to Ben, who is coming in deep. They don't even try and come into the kitchen off of the volley. They wait till the 5th shot to be able to hit a drop shot, and now all 4 players are at the kitchen line. You'll notice that there are some dinks going back and forth, but you'll see that both Ben and Dylan are almost straddling the middle. Ball point is being played on this far side right here. So they're doing dinks back and forth, and you'll notice that both players know that there is a big hole right here, and so the first one to get a shot where they can hit the ball this way is going to be a good shot. Now, Ben is a very fast player. He's really quick with volleys. You're not going to fool him very often. He's able to cover this whole part of the court pretty well, and so is Dylan. But Dylan sees the opportunity after several dinks. He gets a little bit low of a backhand shot. He flicks it, and the way he cocks his wrist a little bit makes it difficult for Ben to know if it's coming this way or if it's coming this way. He flicks it beautifully so that it comes down this way past Ben for a winner. That's called Divide and Conquer. You can either do that if there's a big opening in the middle, or if you notice that this player is getting too far off of the edge, that gives you a good opportunity to be able to hit it down the line past them right there. If you get a ball that bounces a little bit high, you want to be careful not to do this too early. If you try and do it too early on a ball that bounces too low, you'll probably hit the ball in the net. So you want to make sure that it's either off of a high bounce or it's off of a volley that you can flick and get in this area. You don't have to put a ton of pace on it. It just has to be placed properly. And if you do it in a way that makes it confusing for your opponents, sometimes you can hit it down there. They don't even know what happened until the ball passes them. Now we're going to watch this point in its entirety, but I want to point out that knowing the strategy of what shot to hit in every situation and where to be positioned on the court is critical for advancing to higher level play. If you'd like to advance to the next level in your game, you should click the link below and pick up a copy of the Pickleball Playbook, where we have 30 other plays just like this one that'll give you a strategic advantage for the most common situations that you're going to find yourself in a pickleball point. With each play, there's a QR code, just like this one, that you can scan with your smartphone and get a video instruction that'll teach you why the play is important and how to execute it so that you can see improvement the next time that you're on the court. So if you'd like to get a copy of the Pickleball Playbook with the training videos, just click the link below and we'll ship one out to you right away. Now let's go take a look at the point in its entirety.